Ako Mang Rio.
Kayo pong mga hormas at bisama ang nagpapakain sa amin.
So tomorrow, we wake up early. Rio.
I will have a Tagalog speech tomorrow daw. It's midnight already. Ay nako! As who?
Friend of farmers, Mang Rio.
Yeah, Mang Rio, Mang Rio. Ako Mang Rio. Short and impact.
Magandang
umaga sa inyong lahat. Kayo pong magsaka at manginasal.
Mangingisda.
Wow!
Oh, thank you.
Magandang umaga sa inyo lahat! I'm showcasing the beautiful side of the Philippines. So I received a lot of love from the Filipino people. I want to give it back to Filipino people by showcasing agricultura. Because agricultura is the life growth of the Philippines, di ba? Kayo pong mga hormas at bisama ang nagpapakain sa amin. So kayo po ay tunay na mga bayani. I'm here because your stories are worth sharing to the world. Thank you so much po. Thank you so much.